KPop Demon Hunters tops Billboard 200, makes soundtrack history. Netflix films OST scores rare double no. One with Hot 100 and Billboard 200. The soundtrack to Netflix's animated film KPop Demon Hunters has soared to no. 1 on the Billboard 200, cementing its place in U.S. chart history. This marks the album's first time atop Billboard's main album chart and follows just weeks after its breakout single Golden ruled the Hot 100 for 4 consecutive weeks. With the feat, KPop Demon Hunters joins a rare group of soundtracks that have conquered both of Billboard's premier rankings. Billboard's chart preview on Sunday showed the OST edging out Sabrina Carpenter's Man's Best Friend after a steady climb. Debuting at No. 8, lingering for 7 non-consecutive weeks at No. 2, and finally capturing the crown. The achievement underscores the OST's broad appeal. Golden has proven its staying power in the streaming era, holding the Hot 100's top spot for a month. Billboard noted that only 7 soundtracks in history have ever led the Billboard 200, the last being Disney's Encanto in 2022. In the latest tracking week, the album logged 128,000 equivalent units, 103,000 from streaming, 2,000 from track downloads, and 23,000 from traditional sales, a 56% jump from the prior week. Analysts attribute the surge to nationwide sing-along screenings in U.S. theaters and the release of a deluxe edition with 23 tracks, including karaoke and a cappella versions. A vinyl LP slated for October 17 is expected to fuel momentum heading into the fall.